Chandor was such a pristine, green, tranquil village, and it was also a capital of Goa during the reign of Kadambas. And we were enjoying such a peaceful existence here. But suddenly we have noticed that MPT has started bringing in coal through Adani from Australia and South Africa, and this is what we get. This is the coal we get from the wagons which is being spilled here along the tracks. Right now they are taking about 12 million metric tons per annum, sometimes up to 15 million metric tons per annum, and they have plans to increase this coal transportation to 51 million metric tons per annum. With just 12 million metric tons, we are getting so much of coal dust. People are having respiratory problems, and now with this new COVID, most of the deaths have occurred in Vasco, where this coal dust is too much all over into the atmosphere. And we can't understand why this problem has to be dumped on us Goans who are peace-loving people. Now there is no benefit to Goans with this coal transportation. It is only to benefit the rich corporates like Adani, Vedanta, Jindal, and they want to take the coal from Murmagaon port to Karnataka, not even in Goa. It's not being used in Goa. And the Sagarmala project clearly says that they want to increase the coal transportation to 136 million metric tons per annum. So if 51 is going by railways, then they will be taking by roads and all waterways. I mean, the whole of Goa will be a coal hub. I don't know why we should be subjected to this, why we should be killed to benefit somebody else. What about our next generation and the generation to follow? What about them? They will be blaming us for not doing anything, killing them when they are just born itself.
I have a background of tourism. I'm a travel agent catering to all the foreign tourists that come to Goa. I cannot see my Goa being destroyed. I will oppose in whatever way I can to stop this coal hub that is coming into Goa. Because if it comes, it will definitely destroy our Goa and also the survival. Because once this comes, I don't think we will survive in tourism, and our beautiful beaches will be destroyed. Our beautiful village Chandor, which I love so much, I can't see it being destroyed by the coal that will pass through our village. So it is now that we have to stand, all of us, and stop this coal hub coming into our beautiful Goa. And I completely oppose it.
From the documents we have access to the net, we have found that Chandor will be a coal hub with 10 tracks for shunting purposes, and loading will be on the other side of the river. They may be loading with a conveyor belt and raising a huge cloud of coal dust here. And this is not acceptable to us, because what we can see down is just a low-lying flat plain and a lush green agricultural field. How can they destroy this just to benefit a few corporates? It's just beyond our comprehension. Stop double tracking, save Goa.
Stop double tracking, save Goa.
तुमचो कोळसो आमकां नाका.
तुमचो कोळसो आमकां.
ही आमची हांड ह्या वटेन उदक वचपाचो रस्तो आसलो, शेतांतलें थिंगाचें सगळें उदक ह्या वटेन सावन मुखार न्हंयत वयतालें. तें आतां तेणी आनी ती हांड आसलेली हिंगासान तेणी आतां तें चिक्कोन हें केलां, तें मोडून ती ह्या वटेन गायल्या, रुंदाय गेला. दिस इज टोटल डिस्ट्रक्शन दे हॅव डन. थिंग सगळे वॉटर बॉडी थिंग बंद करून दवर आहाय, आनी हें आतां चड जालां, तेंचें चड जालां. एंड वी डोंट वॉन्ट टू से दिस COVID-19, आमचें कोरोना वायरस, हें सिकनेस इतलें डेंजरस न्हू, बट दिस कोल which is going to come over here, and once it comes, it is more dangerous and it will be lasting for generation after generation. So this is only what I want to say. And please stop this destruction of Goa.
डबल ट्रॅकिंग आनी गोल खाबाक लागून उलयता कित्याक गोंयांत आमगे धाकलें गोंय आनी ह्या गोंयांत म्हाका समजना कित्याक आमकां कोल जायो आनी डबल ट्रॅकिंग जाय तें चडसो गोंयकार रेल्वे यूज कोना आनी कोल इन फ्युचर मोटर व्हेकल्स आर कमींग इन टू ग्रीन एनर्जी सो वाय वी रिक्वायर्ड अ कोल आय कॅनॉट अंडरस्टँड सेकेंड म्हळ्यार तें डिस्ट्रॅक्शन अशें करून जाता ती आमगे विलेज डिस्ट्रॉय जातले आनी एक पाट कोल येयलो सो आमगे सगळे घरां आहाय ती डास्टान भरतली आनी मागीर आमगे कॅन्सर्स मागीर आनी डिजीसीस आमगे भुरग्यां जातली आयज आमी व्हडले जाले आमी थोडे वर्स उरले पूण आमी भुरग्यां लागून आमी फायट करूं जाय
for this coal. We don't want this coal because our children are there. Their health, we are more concerned about their health and they are the future citizens of this and future citizens of villages also. This is very bad. I don't want to talk much because most of them have spoken. I want only this coal not to come here and we are happy that these people are come together and will